I'm Amanda from the Visitor Engagement Department at the Carnegie Science Center, and I'd like to welcome you to our Something to Watch series, where we offer fun and educational videos for all of you at home. Like the rest of us at the Carnegie Science Center, I'm practicing social distancing, and I'm here in my home. And the science that I'm doing this week is all using recyclable things I can find from home. And today we're going to explore colors using some recycled tea bottles. So color, it's all around us. I love colors. I love to mix them together and see what we get. So today we're going to use our 3 primary colors to create some secondary colors. Do you know your colors? Your primary colors? Do you know the name of this color? That's right, it's yellow. How about this one? Red. And finally, blue. I'm going to take some food coloring and place them into those 3 bottles. Once again, yellow, red, and blue. So what happens when we mix these colors together? What new colors do we get? So I'm going to start out with our yellow and our red. And we're going to pour them in this spaghetti jar to see. 3, 2, 1. What color did we get? Orange. Now I'm going to dump this out because if we mix too many colors together, we'll end up with a big yucky mess. What color should we try next? How about blue and yellow? What color do you think we'll get when we put these together? Let's find out. Say it with me. What color did we see? Green. All right, so I have one more color combo that we're going to try. I'll give you a hint. This is my favorite color. It happens when we mix blue and red. Let's see. Do you know my favorite color? That's right, it's purple. I love purple. Well, to be honest, I love all the colors. Mixing colors is something that you can do at home. My dining room table is okay to be wet, so if you're using water and exploring, make sure that you're somewhere that's okay to be wet. And you can use food coloring in a lot of different ways with the help of your grown-up. I had a lot of fun today, and I hope that you did too. And continue to follow us at carnegiesciencecenter.org for more things to watch, more things to read, and more things to do. Until next time, we'll see ya. Bye.